Welcome to Ananta IAS Academy. Dear students, today we are going to do class 6 geography. The first lesson, the Earth in the solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, satellites, asteroids and meteoroids. Let us learn about the sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It's made up of extremely hot gases. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. Sol in Roman mythology means the sun god. So solar means related to sun. Let us learn about the planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In the order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. An easy way to memorize the names of the planets in the order of their distance from the sun is, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Coming to the celestial objects. The sun, the moon, and all the other objects which are shining in the night sky are celestial objects. These celestial objects, which emit heat and light on their own, are called stars. Our sun is also one such star. Let's learn about the Earth. It is the 3rd nearest planet to the sun and 5th largest planet of our solar system. The Earth is a unique planet because it supports life. It is at the right distance from the sun. It has the atmosphere and it supports life. It is also called as the blue planet because 70% of the Earth is covered with water. Recently, August 2006, it has been decided that Pluto will no longer be considered as a planet. In a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial objects, Ceres 2003 UB313, discovered in the recent past, will be considered as dwarf planets. Let us learn about more important terms. Geoid. The shape of the Earth is called a geoid. Geoid is spherical except for the flattening at 2 places diametrically opposite to each other. Flattened at the poles and bulged at the equator. This shape of the Earth is given a special name geoid. What are poles? The two places diametrically opposite to each other and which lie on the axis about which a spherical body rotates are called poles. We have the north and the south poles. Asteroids. A large number of tiny celestial bodies which move around the sun and are mainly present in a belt between orbit of Mars and Jupiter are called asteroids. We also have meteoroids. Meteoroids are small pieces of rock which move around the sun. Let's learn about inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets are the planets that orbit around the sun, between the sun and the asteroid belt. They are close to the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Now coming to the outer planets are the planets that orbit around the sun beyond the asteroid belt. That is, they are very far away from the sun. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them. These rings are nothing but the belts of small debris. They move along with the planet. These rings can be seen from the Earth with the help of powerful microscopes. Let us learn more about Mercury and Venus. Mercury is the first planet. It is nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Now coming to Venus. Venus is the second planet. It is also considered as the Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. The moon's diameter is 1/4 of that of the Earth. It is 384,400 kilometers from the Earth. It completes a revolution around the Earth in about 27 days. Incidentally, it takes around the same time for a rotation about its own axis. Moon does not support life. What is the definition of a satellite? A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. A human-made satellite is an artificial body designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. Dear students, we at Ananta IAS Academy, Bangalore, conduct weekend online programs for all the civil services aspirants. It is convenient for the degree students and also for those who are working and prepare and attend our classes on the weekends. We also have special online program for students from class 7 to 12. So here we have the geography lesson 1 from class 6, which is very, very important for all those who are preparing for the prelims. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you, dear friends.